Is it true? 2 condoms is better than 1.
I'm embarrassed to talk about sex with an adult.
Only boys get STIs.
Can I get help at school?
I was just wondering where you can find out more information about sex.
How does the morning after pill work?
What is chlamydia?
I'm kind of scared to go to a clinic. What can the doctor help me with?
How do I know if I've got an STI?
What's the C code?
Can I get free stuff at the chemist?
All this sex stuff is so confusing. Where can I find out more?
Pharmacists can give you lots of information, lots of advice. Most pharmacists as well will be able to help with morning after pills, or emergency contraception as they're actually known as. They have 72 hours in which they can come and see us. You can get it for free, and again you just need to have a quick chat with the pharmacist and make sure you need it. Pharmacists hear loads of stuff all the time, and whatever you're going to say to us, we've heard it all before. Not to worry about it. Most pharmacists have a room which you can go to and talk to them privately, and you're very welcome to ask to request that.
Hello and welcome to 4YP Bristol Weather Report. We've had a real downpour of 4YP pharmacies all over Bristol, so there should be one near you.
There's a couple of common myths. One is that if you're a bloke, you might have to have an umbrella or something that looks like an umbrella put down the inside of your penis. This isn't true. We offer a full range of advice, information, clinical services, so that means we can start people on contraception if they'd like to start the pill or go on the injection. We can offer them STI testing, so that's sexual health testing for infections such as chlamydia or gonorrhea. So we're open 6 days a week. We're open from Monday to Saturday. We're open on Saturday mornings, and then from Monday to Friday we're open pretty much throughout the day at various times. We're very non-judgmental, so we're not going to make any assumptions about the young person, and we're also not going to, quite often young people are worried that we're going to tell them off. And I think as soon as the young person has used our service for the first time, they realise that that's not our job and that's not what we're here for. We're here to help and to help the young person get the advice that they want.
If young people come to the clinic, they can, in addition to seeing one of the nurses here, they can book in to see the counsellor, which is me. Everything that you talk to me about is confidential.
Welcome back. Clinics for young people are pouring down all over Bristol.
The C card is quite easy how it works. You have to be 13 to 19 and you have to go to a youth centre, 4YP drop-in or young people's health clinic to register, and you'll be taken through a process, asked a few questions. The things we talk about are confidentiality, sexually transmitted infections, how the scheme works, condom demonstration and local services available to young people. At the end of all of that, we'll issue you with your C card, which is one of these. No, the C card is completely free. All it takes is about 20 minutes of your time. The scheme doesn't identify you at all. All we take is your postcode.
There are light showers of C cards breaking out all across Bristol, so now you know where to get your condoms.
I'm a Brook outreach nurse, which means I go out into schools and run sexual health clinics in schools across Bristol. But most of the drop-ins will happen over the lunchtime period. We're in 21 schools, so we cover the whole of Bristol city. We come in primarily to give sexual health advice and advice about helping young people grow up safely. We do a lot of work on peer pressure, relationships, and we can start people on all kinds of forms of contraception. We also do pregnancy testing, do infection testing as well, sexually transmitted infection testing. The service that we offer is a confidential service. We make that very clear to any young person coming to see us.
We have outbreaks of Brook Clinic drop-in sessions at schools all over the city.
There's lots of things we can offer. We can offer a listening ear for anybody who's got problems. We can offer advice about different methods of contraception if they want it. We can offer advice and investigations and treatment for any sexually transmitted infections. And support for people who perhaps don't feel they're ready yet for sex and need help with perhaps saying no. It's best to go to the surgery that you're registered at because they've got all your records. But if you really want to be seen by somebody completely outside your normal doctors, you can see another doctor for sexual health, or you can go to a family planning clinic. So it's best if you stick to your usual GP, but you don't have to. You can choose who you see. But we're happy to see people on their own, yes. You don't have to be with an adult or a parent or a teacher or anybody else.
There are Sunday spells of 4YP doctor surgeries all around Bristol, so don't forget to make your appointment and see your friendly doctor.
Well, I'm going to get my C card.
You need to look out for the 4YP logo.
They won't tell my parents and embarrass me.
I'm not so worried now that I know more.
Only condoms can protect you from STIs.
It's best to talk to someone who knows all the facts about sex and diseases.
There's loads of services for me around Bristol.
So every time I had sex protections in mind, I don't want no STDs, gonorrhea, syphilis, or maybe herpes. Trust me, it's easily done. You're young, wanna have fun, it's far from fun. You wheeze now, hide in the sun. What you went and done, you ain't used protection. Or the oven cause a bun, should really be using protection. An issue, this here for young ones. When fun comes, think protection. Protection. It's about looking after you, taking care of yourself like you should do.